Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a fascinating journey into the world of one of nature's most remarkable creatures, the hummingbird. Known for their incredible speed and iridescent beauty, hummingbirds captivate the hearts of all who have the pleasure of observing them. Hummingbirds belong to the family Trochilidae and are native to the Americas, ranging from Alaska to Tierra del Fuego. There are over 330 species of hummingbirds, each exhibiting a dazzling array of colors and sizes. These tiny avian marvels weigh between 2 to 20 grams, with the bee hummingbird being the smallest bird in the world, measuring just over 2 inches in length. What truly sets hummingbirds apart is their extraordinary flight capabilities. Unlike most birds, hummingbirds can hover in mid-air, fly backwards, and even upside down. This is made possible by their unique wing structure and rapid wing beats, which can reach up to 80 beats per second. This remarkable agility allows them to access nectar from flowers with pinpoint precision. Hummingbirds have a symbiotic relationship with flowers, acting as crucial pollinators. Their long, specialized bills and extendable tongues enable them to extract nectar deep within flowers. As they feed, pollen adheres to their feathers and bills, facilitating the transfer of pollen from one flower to another, thus promoting plant reproduction. Their tongues are a marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted for their feeding habits. The tongue is forked, and when it extends into a flower, it uses a rapid licking motion to lap up nectar at an astonishing rate of 13 licks per second. This efficient feeding mechanism ensures they can gather the energy needed to sustain their high metabolism. Hummingbirds are also known for their intricate nests. Female hummingbirds construct their nests using plant fibers, spider silk, and lichens, creating a sturdy yet flexible structure. These nests are typically about the size of a golf ball, and the female lays 2 tiny eggs. She diligently cares for her chicks, feeding them a mixture of nectar and insects until they are ready to fledge. Another astonishing aspect of hummingbird behavior is their migration. Many species undertake long migrations between their breeding and wintering grounds. The ruby-throated hummingbird, for example, travels over 2,000 miles from North America to Central America, crossing the Gulf of Mexico in a single, non-stop flight. This incredible feat requires immense stamina and precise navigation. Hummingbirds are diurnal creatures, meaning they are active during the day. Their feeding habits are closely tied to the availability of nectar-producing flowers, which bloom at specific times. As a result, hummingbirds have adapted to a lifestyle of constant foraging, visiting hundreds of flowers each day to meet their energy demands. Despite their small size, hummingbirds are fiercely territorial. They defend their feeding territories aggressively, chasing away other birds and insects. This behavior ensures they have exclusive access to valuable nectar sources, crucial for their survival. In addition to their feeding and territorial behaviors, hummingbirds also engage in regular grooming and bathing. Keeping their feathers in top condition is essential for their aerodynamics and insulation. They often bathe in shallow water sources or during rain showers, fluffing their feathers to shake off water droplets. Many people enjoy attracting hummingbirds to their gardens by providing feeders filled with sugar water to create a hummingbird-friendly environment. It's important to use the right ratio of sugar to water, typically 1 part sugar to 4 parts water. Avoid using red dye, as it can be harmful to the birds. Planting native flowering plants and maintaining a pesticide-free garden can also help attract and support these delightful creatures. Hummingbirds are not just a wonder of the avian world. They are symbols of joy, resilience, and the delicate balance of nature. Observing their behavior offers a glimpse into the intricate web of life and the vital role they play in ecosystems. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the enchanting world of hummingbirds. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating wildlife content. Let us celebrate and protect these incredible creatures, ensuring they continue to grace our gardens and skies with their presence. Until next time, happy bird watching.